Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on apps. Then let's scroll down and go to special app access. Here scroll down again and tap on install unknown apps. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let me pick Chrome and simply tap on the switcher next to allow from this source. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is now allowed to install some content. Beware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher here. And as you can see right now, it is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.